In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable autofill in Google Chrome. So what we need to do is first open up the Google Chrome browser and then click on the three vertical dots in the top right hand side. From here, scroll all the way down and click on Settings, and in the left hand navigation, select Autofill and Passwords. So we basically have three different options here for autofill. We have the Google Password Manager, payment methods, and also addresses. So in order to disable autofill, first select the option that you want to disable. So for example, if we want to disable payments from being autofilled, I can click on that and then just turn this option off here at the top, save and fill payment methods. You can then come back over to the previous window and we can do the same for addresses and more. And once again, just make sure this feature here is turned off and disabled. And finally, we also have the Google Password Manager. And if you want to stop your passwords from being automatically filled in certain websites, then what you'll need to do is find that website that you want to stop being auto-filled. So for example, if I click on this website here, what you can do is simply press the delete button, and that's going to remove it from your Google Password Manager, and therefore it's going to stop being auto-filled. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.